Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to print the shipping label in Facebook Marketplace. So now the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any web browser. After that you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So now after that you logged into the marketplace or you access the marketplace, here below the selling we will find the shipping order. So basically the shipping feature isn't available in all the countries, so I don't have it. But if you have the shipping feature already on, you will find here down the shipping order. Basically if you have confirmed any order on your marketplace, you will find the shipping order. You click on it and then a window or a pop-up window will appear in the middle, and then you can create your own label or you can create an automatic label generated by Facebook Marketplace. After you create the label, you add the informations and then you can print it by open it in the PDF, and then you can print the label for your shipping or for your products. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.